Hey guys, we're back with another set of gadgets for all occasions you might be interested in. Are you ready? All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And don't forget to write down in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next video. This video is sponsored by Blinkist. Here's a stylish ring that takes care of your health. It's literally stuffed with various sensors. The ring constantly tracks your heart rate so you can check it in real time and during workouts. Also, the gadget's able to track your blood oxygen level and sleep stages, which is the key to better sleep. Some features will be especially useful for women. The dedicated mobile app collects all your data and provides you with personalized recommendations and instant alerts. The included sizing kit will help to choose the right ring size to get maximum accuracy, and there's no need to take the ring off when swimming. It's waterproof. An ultrasonic teeth cleaner a day keeps the dentist away. This is the easiest way to whiten your teeth, removing all sorts of plaque, calculus, and stains. 3 cleaning modes and 2 replaceable heads will help to adjust the cleaner to your needs. The flat head cleans the teeth surface, while the needle head handles the gaps. Most importantly, the integrated 5-megapixel camera, combined with the mobile app, lets you watch the whole process on the smartphone. Bright LEDs are in charge of the lighting. Don't worry, if the cleaner touches your gums, it'll stop automatically. The gadget charges via USB-C, lasting up to 2 months on one charge. Keeping it clean will be easy since the whole thing is fully waterproof. Imagine you could have your own little forest right there on your desk. Well, these terrariums let you do that with ease. The kit includes everything you need: a beautiful glass vessel with a wooden stand, a variety of moss species, and even an optional lamp. There's also this little suction opener for your glass door. Feel free to choose the size and shape of your terrarium. There are plenty of options. Setting up the moss wall will take a couple of minutes, but it doesn't require any gardening skills. Although the moss looks and feels completely natural, it's biologically inactive, so it doesn't produce any fog, but you can fix that using a fog machine. And best of all, this terrarium doesn't require any maintenance. Want to stay warm and cozy during all your camping trips? All you need is this wearable sleeping bag. This bag is more like a jumpsuit that you can wear throughout the day, and once the camp is set, simply attach the removable booties and adjust the elastic hand enclosures. This thing also features an adjustable hood along with comfy kangaroo pockets. Most importantly, the synthetic filling keeps you warm in any weather, while the water-repellent coating protects you from rain. The base model is suited for up to 55 degrees Fahrenheit, but you might get a warmer bag that also has some additional pockets, and of course there's a wide range of sizes and color options to choose from. Here's the ultimate drone for every traveler and content creator. This guy boasts a pro-level Hasselblad camera delivering 20 million pixel pics and 5.1K video resolution. Thanks to the large sensor, this cam stands out with high dynamic range and great low-light performance. All your slow-mos will look incredible in 4K quality at up to 120 FPS. But here's the coolest part. The drone has a second telecamera. With its 28x zoom and detachable wide-angle lens, this cam lets you capture the most stunning panoramas. What's more, the drone comes with this really neat controller that has a built-in display. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing makes sure your drone will be safe in any environment. Even if it loses signal, the drone will automatically return to the home point. This innovative chessboard brings magic to the real world. All the pieces on this board are able to move on their own. The mechanism is smooth and silent. You can actually play completely hands-free using voice commands to move your pieces. How cool is that? You don't even need a partner. The integrated AI plays like a human and adapts to your level, but you might play online against real opponents. All their moves will be reflected on your board. On top of that, there's a dedicated mobile app that remembers all your games and gives you some tips. The minimal version is slightly modernized, but there's a classic set as well. And here's the most compact chess set that you can take anywhere you go. These are actually checkers pieces, but chess characters are silk-screened on them as well. Best of all, the wooden chessboard easily rolls up and fits the included carrying holder. Awesome! Sometimes our best ideas seem to come out of nowhere. Newton had his apple, and Archimedes had his greatest insight when taking a bath. Well, someone should have told these guys about Blinkist. It's a huge collection of powerful ideas that includes over 5,000 non-fiction titles in 27 different categories. It'd probably take a lifetime to read them all, but you don't have to, thanks to Blinks. So basically, these are short explainers that bring you the key takeaways from the text in 15 minutes. You might read Blink during breakfast or on your way from work. No internet? All the titles can be downloaded for offline access. No time to read? Yeah, same here. You should check out Shortcast then. These are the same brief text with the brightest ideas, but in audio format. Actually, the app lets you listen and read at the same time. Setting up your Blinkist is really simple. Just download the app either on your phone or tablet, then select some titles among your favorite categories for your personal library. That's it. Now we can sign up and start exploring. So there's a ton of categories for any taste, so as you'd expect, we had to start with the tech section. There are almost 300 titles covering some of the most intriguing topics. For instance, Eric Berger in his book Liftoff tells the inside story of SpaceX. It took us only 13 minutes to discover how Elon Musk turned his underdog startup into a huge breakthrough for the entire industry. Then we spent another 15 minutes learning how Bill Gates plans to fight climate change. But you're more than welcome to check out any other collection like top titles on Blinkist or New York Times bestsellers. So if you're ready to fill up your mind with great ideas, Blinkist has a special offer for you guys. Click the link in the description to start your free 7-day trial with Blinkist and get 25% off of a premium membership. Is that a giant sneaker? Well, actually, this might be one of the most unusual and stylish PC cases we've ever seen. It combines various design elements of popular sneakers by Nike, Adidas, and Balenciaga. All this stuff was made on a 3D printer. Not to mention the internal components, this PC is powered by Intel Core i7 along with the Galax RTX graphics and 16 GB of RAM. Plus, there's over a terabyte of ultra-fast SSD storage. This hardware must go well with any outfit. Lack of ports? Meet a powerful USB hub for any occasion. So first you get two USB-C ports, one for data transfer and another one for charging. In addition, there are 4 regular USBs, which should be more than enough for your hard drives and other peripherals. The HDMI output lets you connect an external monitor in up to 4K quality. Plus, you get 2 integrated slots for TF and SD cards. As for the actual keyboard, it features a full set of scissor switch keys that includes the most useful shortcuts. The concave shape and short travel provide a comfortable typing and gaming experience, and don't be afraid of the dark. The keys are backlit. So the question is, space gray or silver? Having many devices brings many problems with charging. Well, here's the solution: a powerful charging station that feeds several devices at a time. It perfectly suits the Apple family thanks to the integrated Apple Watch charger and Lightning output, but if you're an Android user, you can switch the connector to USB-C with the push of a button. This thing supports fast charging with 18-watt output, and of course there's wireless charging as well. The built-in chain coil pad makes sure that your phone starts charging no matter how you place it, and there's another feature you should know about: the secret drawer on the side. There's always a problem with those nice and slim wallets. Your stuff simply won't fit in them. But this one's different. Despite the compact and modern design, this wallet fits up to 12 cards, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Same goes for coins. They're automatically separated, so there's no need to fumble searching them. And whenever you need to sign a document, the included mini pin is right at hand. As for the safety, the wallet is RFID blocking, and it comes with an anti-drop magnetic clip. The integrated magnets allow smooth closure and let you use this thing as a phone stand. The wallet's made of ripstop fabric that's actually stronger than steel. As you'd expect, this thing comes in many different colors. Nothing beats the classics. This is an authentic Nixie tube clock, but with some modern features. So the first thing you'll notice are these 6 50-year-old Nixie tubes. Did you know this thing has a Wi-Fi module? And there's a mobile app that lets you toggle between various lighting effects. Or you might use the built-in touchpad. Nice! But look over here. This model features the same premium construction with original Nixie tubes, but here's what it can do. There's this little knob in the corner that switches the modes. You can check the time and date and various formats as well as the temperature. Yep, this thing has GPS. And of course, you still have the companion app. This little gadget will help you and your partner handle all that parent stuff like the diapers, feeding, and baths in the modern way. It's really simple. There are 8 physical buttons and each of them stands for a certain event. You put the baby to bed and change the diaper. Now you can log the events with the push of a button. The gadget connects to your home Wi-Fi and syncs all the data with the mobile app. Moreover, you can add other users to your account. What's more, this thing is battery powered, which allows seamless carrying between rooms. Or you might mount it on the wall in the nursery. Plus, the gadget's compatible with Alexa, so if your hands are busy or, let's say, dirty, a voice command will do as well. Take your home security to the next level. No one can pass this cam unnoticed. 3 motion detection sensors cover up to 270 degrees. Naturally, there's a dedicated mobile app for all the controls. The cam also has night vision and 2 ultra-bright, fully automated LED lights, but you can easily adjust the brightness. There's also a 2-way audio, so you might have a little chat with your guest. Or let the loud siren handle the situation. All the footage is saved in full HD quality, so you can either store it in a cloud or on a micro SD card. Now, if you've ever dealt with such gadgets, installation won't take you much time. There's no need to worry about the weather conditions. The cam is sturdy and fully waterproof. And now it's time to check out some cool keycaps. Why can't you use Thor's hammer instead of your escape key? Although it's small, the hammer's actually made of titanium and aluminum alloys. And here's something for the Evangelion fans out there. You'll immediately recognize the beautiful purple armor of the original Unit 01. The set includes 3 keycaps suitable for any mechanical keyboard. You can easily remove them anytime in case you get bored. But come on, that'll probably never happen. These earplugs are designed to protect your hearing at concerts, clubs, and other loud places. Just hang it on your keychain so it's always at hand. And on top of that, the earplugs are provided with a mobile app. It displays the sound level around you and tells you how long you can stay there without damaging your ears. But there's no need to rush if your ears are protected.